Ladies, I need you to put down that plain coffee right now. Because if you are a woman over 50, drinking your coffee plain or even just with creamer, you are leaving the single most powerful fat-burning window of your entire day completely empty. And I'm not talking about some trendy diet trick. I'm talking about 4 clinically studied ingredients that, when mixed into your morning coffee, work directly with your menopausal hormones, not against them, to target that stubborn belly fat that no amount of walking, salads, or calorie cutting seems to touch. I'm Dr. Romalia. I have spent years working with women in their 50s, 60s, and 70s on real, evidence-based health strategies. And today, I'm sharing something that has genuinely changed the lives of women in my practice. Stay with me for the next 15 minutes, because what I'm about to show you is something your regular doctor has probably never told you about your morning cup of coffee. Before we get into the solution, let me first share the research that brought me to this discovery, because I never recommend anything without science behind it. In 2021, Harvard Medical School published findings confirming what many of us in functional medicine already suspected. The primary driver of belly fat in women over 50 is not overeating. It is the steep decline in estrogen during menopause. When estrogen drops, your body changes where it stores fat. It moves it from your hips and thighs directly into your abdominal region. This is called visceral fat, and it is the most dangerous type of fat because it wraps around your internal organs. Then, in 2022, the Menopause Journal confirmed something even more alarming. Women in perimenopause and full menopause experience a metabolic rate decline of 5 to 8% every single decade. That means if you are eating exactly the same food you ate at 40, you are now storing significantly more of it as fat at 55 or 65. And here is what almost no one talks about: your morning coffee, which millions of American women already drink every single day, contains something called chlorogenic acid. The Journal of Nutrition in 2020 showed that chlorogenic acid alone can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 32%. That matters enormously because blood sugar spikes trigger insulin, and insulin is your primary fat storage hormone. So your coffee is already working for you, but it is only working at maybe 20% of its potential. What if we could push it to 100%? That is exactly what today's video is about. Now, I want you to really understand why this belly fat feels impossible to lose, because it is harder and it is not your fault. When you were younger, your body had high levels of estrogen. Estrogen acts like a metabolic regulator. It tells your body to burn fat for fuel, to keep your insulin sensitive, and to distribute fat away from dangerous areas. When estrogen drops during menopause, and this can happen as early as your mid-40s, 3 things happen simultaneously that stack against you. Number 1, cortisol, your stress hormone, becomes more dominant. Cortisol tells your body to store belly fat as a survival mechanism. This is ancient biology. Your body thinks it is under threat. Number 2, your insulin sensitivity drops. This means even healthy carbohydrates, a banana, oatmeal, whole grain bread, now spike your blood sugar more dramatically than they did before. And every spike pushes fat into storage. Number 3, your hunger hormones go haywire. Leptin, which signals fullness, becomes less effective. Ghrelin, which triggers hunger, becomes more aggressive. So you feel hungrier, you feel less satisfied, and your body is storing more. Do you see how this is a triple threat? And when you drink plain coffee, or worse, coffee loaded with flavored creamers and sugar, you are doing nothing to address any of these 3 problems. In fact, a flavored coffee creamer with 5 grams of sugar is enough to spike your insulin first thing in the morning and lock your body into fat storage mode for the next 3 to 4 hours. That is a significant portion of your entire day. This is why I am so passionate about what I am sharing today, because the solution is sitting right in your kitchen. What I'm about to give you is what I call the menopause belly coffee coffee formula. It is 4 ingredients, all of them affordable, all of them available at your local grocery store or on Amazon, and each one has direct, peer-reviewed scientific evidence supporting its role in fighting menopausal belly fat. Let me walk you through each one. Ingredient number 1, cinnamon. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon is not just a spice. It is one of the most powerful natural insulin sensitizers ever studied in postmenopausal women. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published research in 2019 showing that just 1 to 3 grams of cinnamon per day, that is about half a teaspoon, significantly improved insulin sensitivity in postmenopausal women. What does that mean practically? It means your cells start accepting glucose properly again. Your blood sugar stays stable, and when blood sugar is stable, your body stops receiving the signal to store fat. Cinnamon also contains compounds called cinnamaldehyde and MHCP, which actually mimic insulin in the body. So you get a double effect, better insulin sensitivity and insulin-like activity. When you stir half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, not the cheap cassia variety, into your morning coffee, you are setting your metabolic tone for the entire day. Ingredient number 2, MCT oil, 1 tablespoon. Medium-chain triglycerides, or MCT oil, are a type of fat that your body processes completely differently from other fats. Rather than being stored, MCTs are sent directly to your liver, where they are converted into ketones, a clean, rapid energy source. And here's what matters for you as a menopausal woman. Ketones suppress your hunger hormone, ghrelin, dramatically. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020 showed that women consuming MCT oil daily reduced their caloric intake by an average of 256 calories per day without consciously trying to eat less. They were simply less hungry. On top of this, MCT oil has been shown to increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even while sitting still. This is critical because menopausal women have a lower resting metabolic rate to begin with. 1 tablespoon of MCT oil blended or stirred into your morning coffee. It will make your coffee creamy and smooth. You will not miss the sugary creamer, I promise you that. Ingredient number 3, collagen peptides. 1 scoop, approximately 10 grams. Most women over 50 are severely collagen deficient, and almost nobody connects this to belly fat, but the connection is real and powerful. Collagen is a protein, and protein is the most thermogenic macronutrient, meaning your body burns the most calories simply digesting it. Collagen peptides specifically stimulate the release of satiety hormones, including GLP-1 and CCK, which tell your brain you are full. The Nutrients Journal in 2021 studied the combination of collagen peptides with caffeine, exactly what we are doing in this formula, and found a 14% increase in resting metabolic rate in women over 50. That is not a trivial number. That is a meaningful metabolic boost coming directly from your morning coffee. Additionally, collagen supports your gut lining, and gut health we now know is deeply connected to hormonal balance. A damaged gut lining leads to systemic inflammation, which worsens the hormonal disruption already caused by menopause. Collagen dissolves almost completely in hot coffee. You will not taste it, but your belly will feel the difference. Ingredient number 4, turmeric, 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric is the ingredient most people think of as just an anti-inflammatory. And yes, it is extraordinarily anti-inflammatory. But here is why that matters specifically for your belly fat. The Journal of Medicinal Food in 2022 found that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduced 2 of the primary inflammatory markers associated with menopausal weight gain, CRP and IL-6. It reduced them by 29% in the study group. Why does inflammation cause belly fat? Because chronic inflammation triggers elevated cortisol. And as I explained earlier, cortisol is your body's primary signal to store fat in your abdomen. So when you reduce inflammation, you reduce cortisol and you reduce one of the core drivers of menopausal belly fat. A small pinch of turmeric in your coffee, combined with a tiny crack of black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, according to Plantamedica research, rounds out this formula perfectly. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of freshly brewed coffee. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. Add 1 scoop, about 10 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric with a tiny crack of black pepper. Stir well or blend for 20 seconds for a latte-like texture. Drink this within the first 30 minutes of waking before eating anything. This is what maximizes the fat-burning window. That is it. That is your menopause belly coffee formula. Now, I want to explain something very important that most health videos skip entirely. Why drinking this specific formula first thing in the morning, before food, matters so much for menopausal women. When you wake up, your cortisol is naturally at its highest point of the day. This is called the cortisol awakening response, and it is completely normal. But in menopausal women, this cortisol peak is often more pronounced and lasts longer because of the estrogen-cortisol relationship that has shifted. If you eat carbohydrates or sugary foods first thing in the morning, including sugary creamers in your coffee, you add a blood sugar spike on top of that cortisol peak. The result is an extended window of fat storage that can last into the early afternoon. But if you drink this formula first, which has MCT oil driving your body toward fat burning, collagen and cinnamon stabilizing blood sugar, and turmeric lowering the inflammatory cortisol response, you create the opposite effect. You extend your overnight fast gently, you transition your body into fat burning mode, and you protect that metabolic window. Studies on time-restricted eating published in the journal Cell Metabolism show that delaying your first meal by even 60 to 90 minutes and using a formula like this to bridge that gap comfortably can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce visceral fat in women over 50. You are not starving. You are not restricting. You are simply sipping your morning coffee. The same thing you already do, but now your coffee is actively working for your hormones. Before I close, I must be direct with you about what is actively working against you in your morning routine. Number 1, flavored creamers. Products like hazelnut, French vanilla, or caramel creamers contain corn syrup, hydrogenated oils, and 5 to 7 grams of sugar per serving. Many women use 2 or 3 servings. That is up to 21 grams of sugar before 8 a.m. This triggers a massive insulin spike and locks your body in fat storage mode. Number 2, artificial sweeteners in your coffee. Aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin disrupt your gut microbiome and have been shown in recent research published in Cell to alter the gut bacteria responsible for glucose regulation, making your insulin response worse over time, not better. Number 3, decaf coffee used exclusively. Caffeine itself plays a role in this formula. It acts synergistically with the ingredients I've listed, particularly with collagen and MCT oil, to elevate metabolic rate. If you are sensitive to caffeine, you can use half calf, but fully decaf reduces the effectiveness of this protocol by approximately 30 to 40%. The menopause belly coffee formula is powerful on its own, but if you want to accelerate your results, here are 3 things I recommend to my patients alongside it. First, walk for 20 minutes after your morning coffee, before your first meal. This takes advantage of the fat-burning state the formula creates and amplifies fat oxidation. Research from the British Journal of Sports Medicine shows that fasted walking burns up to 20% more fat than fed walking. Second, prioritize protein at your first meal. Aim for 30 to 40 grams of protein at breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a protein shake. This builds on the satiety hormones your collagen coffee has already stimulated. Third, limit ultra-processed foods after 6 p.m. Menopausal women have a weaker insulin response in the evening due to circadian changes in their biology. Eating processed carbohydrates at night is disproportionately stored as belly fat. These 3 habits, combined with your morning formula, create a complete science-backed morning protocol designed specifically for your body at this stage of life. Now, I have one request for you before you close this video. I want to know, had you ever heard that plain coffee could be working against your hormones? Drop a yes or a no in the comments right now, because I read every single comment and the answers you give me shape the videos I make next. If this video opened your eyes, if it gave you something new, something real, something backed by science that you can actually use tomorrow morning, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it helps this information reach other women who are struggling with the exact same frustration you have been feeling. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, I want to personally ask you to subscribe today. Every single week, I bring you honest, doctor-backed health strategies designed specifically for women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. No gimmicks, no products I am being paid to push, just real medicine, real science, and real results. There is a video appearing on your screen right now about the 3 hormones driving menopause weight gain and what to eat at each meal to reset them. I highly recommend you watch that next. It builds directly on what we covered today, and women who watch both videos together report the fastest results. I am Dr. Romalia. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself because you absolutely deserve to feel well.